Hi and welcome to Dulcimer Worship. Today I'm going to be sharing a video with you that I had a special request for. Someone had asked if I would do a tutorial on how to flat pick on the song Be Thou My Vision that I had posted a few months back. So let's get started. Okay, so flat picking to Be Thou My Vision. I'm using a pick. Flat picking is when you use a pick, and finger picking is when you're using your fingers. I was kind of confused about that when I first started, so just to clarify that. Also, it's a personal preference thing, but most mountain dulcimers come with a double melody string, as this one did, and I do a lot of the flat picking, so I felt like that double melody string did get in my way, so I took it off and I just have the 3 strings, and it just kind of works better for me. But and also, there is a product called a wrist rest that you may want to consider getting, that just kind of helps gives you a place to rest your hand that sits above the fretboard, so you may want to consider getting one of those if you're having a hard time holding your hand up while you're picking. Some people also, will support their hand by just kind of resting their pinky or last 2 fingers there and kind of supporting it that way. So, but you'll kind of find what works for you as you get into it. So I just wanted to mention those things to you. And another thing, I had a really hard time wrapping my head around flat picking and finger picking when I first started. I just couldn't get it, and I just want to encourage you to practice. I would put my mountain dulcimer in my lap in the evenings, and I would just kind of, keep going, till it felt just more and more comfortable to me. So I just want to encourage you to do that. The more practice you get, the better you'll get, and it just becomes second nature. So anyway, so Be Thou My Vision. This song is in 3/4 timing. The song is in the key of A, and it has 4 verses. The 4th verse is I modulate to C. So you will need the 1.5 fret there. That helps with with the C chord. I'm just going to go over the full verses very slowly, and I will have this music with the chords and everything and dulcimer tab notation in a link in the description section below this video, and I'll also have a link to the actual song that I posted a few months ago. And so once you get practice this, what we go over today, then you can go back to that video and play along with that one. I'm not going to sing today. I'm just going to go over the chords and just go over it really slowly, and I'm going to count, kind of let you see exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, so we'll start with the intro. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's the whole song. It does that the whole way through, except for the 4th verse, which I modulate to C. You don't have to modulate to C. You can still play an A if that's easier for you. The only thing that I will mention, the intro, the A at the end of the intro, it holds for 2 measures there, and it holds 2 measures on the E the first E in the second line of each verse. That's also 2 measures. And every little interlude, which is basically the intro, every A at the end of the interludes holds 2 measures as well. So everything else is just the 3 count. Keep practicing. The more you do it, the better you'll get. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any more requests for other video tutorials, just leave it in the comment section.